use tinctures a lot, and so I find that many of these evergreens prepare very nicely as tinctures. I personally prefer to utilize them fresh. This is because I find that fresh herbs tend to yield a more aromatic extraction when they're done fresh, as opposed to being extracted dry. This is simply because by virtue of drying, when you dry an aromatic herb, if you walk into the space and smell that herb, there's all of your volatile constituents floating around in the air that you're essentially losing out on and not going to be present in the medicine. So I personally really love these as fresh tinctures because they're very terpene rich. I typically will use a higher percentage alcohol for them. So anywhere between 70 to 80% alcohol, I find makes a very nice volatile, aromatic, stimulant expectorant, circulatory stimulating, antimicrobial property. Now, another great way to use these herbs, because they're volatile oil rich, is diffusing them. And of course, you know, in our modern kind of essential oil crazed, I guess, world, a lot of people use these as straight essential oils, which is nice. You know, I think these are good remedies to use as volatile oils. I'm not typically a huge proponent of using straight essential oils, but these ones, because they're so renewable, they're so abundant, I think these are remedies that actually do work well as essential oils. So whether that's placing them in an essential oil diffuser to diffuse those oils throughout the home, or there's, you know, the more, I guess, personalized diffusion, which is great for the treatment of respiratory tract conditions, which is the old tent trick. You know, you get a pot of water, you get yourself a blanket, you know, and or a towel, and you drape that over, and you just breathe the steam in, and you could put some of the volatile oil in there and inhale that steam.